Hello, my name is Joey. I'm a product documentation manager at Yext. Today I'll be walking you through how to use content capture. The best way for your clients to see an impact with Yext is by having as complete of a profile as possible. Content capture allows you to generate links for your clients to complete tasks for you, all without being users in your account. To get started, click Knowledge Graph in the navigation bar and click Entities. Then, add a column by clicking Columns in the top right. Scroll down to where it says Optimization Progress, check the box, and then Apply. Once you're here, you'll see a progress bar that shows how much information has been completed for each entity. When you click on the progress bar, you will see tasks that can be completed in the account. If it says 0 out of 1, it means the task has not been completed yet and is a great candidate to send over to your client. For example, here you can select Add a Logo and add a business description. When you click Generate a Link, you'll see a branded URL that your client can go to start completing the tasks you chose for them. On this page, all they have to do is click Optimize and add in whatever content is required. Using content capture is a great way to make sure that your clients' profiles are as complete as possible. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoyed this demo. Please visit our YouTube channel or hitchhikers.yext.com for more content and continued learning.